Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Nissan Kicks key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a well-lit area to work in, as the components are small. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy battery replacement process for your key fob. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually located near the key ring attachment point. Gently insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a slight twist or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the key fob. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing during this step. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Use your screwdriver to carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. This is crucial for proper function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, immediately test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking your Nissan Kicks. This confirms a successful battery replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.